Hello world, Assalamu alaikum. This is Songlap News now. State of PhD research in Bangladesh. This time I am exploring Dhaka University Faculty of Science, Department of Physics. State of PhD research in Bangladesh, DU Department of Physics, Faculty of Science, PhD research teachers, data statistics at a glance. Draft number 0 corrections expected will be updated with corrections if, when and where they will be suggested. Data sorted alphabetically on multiple columns. Table 0 DU Department Institute PhD data subtotal. Table headers are serial number entity faculty department institute of designation teacher. 0 DU Faculty of Science Physics Professor Dr. Mrs. Sabina Hussein PhD Material Science Trieste University Italy 2002. This report presents you all the PhD holding teachers of the Department of Physics of the Faculty of Science University of Dhaka, that is Dhaka University. Dr. Mrs. Supriya Saha, Dr. ABM Ubaidul Islam, PhD Materials Engineering, Toyama University, Japan 1999. Dr. Alamgir Kubir, PhD Physics, University of Central Florida, United States 2015. Dr. Aminul Islam Talukdar, PhD Material Science, Shizuoka University, Japan 2001. Dr. Ishtiaq M. Syed, PhD Physics, Case Western Reserve University, United States 2006. Dr. Kaji Haniyam Maria, PhD Optoelectronics and Nanostructure Sciences, Shizuoka University, Japan 2015. Dr. Khondokar Sadat Hussain, PhD Material Science, Kishu University, Japan 1999. Dr. M. Mizanur Rahman, PhD Material Science, Toyama University, Japan 2002. Dr. Mahbub Alam Bhuiya, PhD Physics, University of Nottingham, United Kingdom 2019. Dr. Mohammad Dolilur Rahman, PhD Solid State Physics, Hokkaido University, Japan 2008. Dr. Mohammad Kamrul Hassan, PhD Statistical Physics, Brunel University, United Kingdom 1996. Dr. Mohammad Wahaduzzaman, PhD Material Science, Hokkaido University, Japan 2006. Dr. Mohammad Shahjahan, PhD Condensed Matter Theory, Osaka University, Japan 2013. Dr. Ratan Chandra Ghosh, PhD Soft Matter Physics, Hiroshima University, Japan 2010. Dr. Kaisar Ahmed Roki, PhD Thermal Science and Engineering, Kyushu University, Japan 2021. Dr. Mohammad Kamruzzaman, PhD Physics, Kyushu University, Japan 2021. Dr. Syed Hassan, PhD University of Florida. Dr. Tarek Mahmood, PhD. Group summary: DU Faculty of Science, Department of Physics. Number of professors 18, NAM Associate Professors 2, NAM Assistant Professors 12, NAM Lecturers 8, NAM Teachers 40, NAM PhDs 19, NAM Teachers 40%, PhD to Teachers 47.50%. Table 1 DU PhD Group Summary as appeared. Headers are serial number, entity ID, Faculty of Department, Institute of, NAM Teachers, NAM PhDs, percent PhD holders to teachers. DU Faculty of Science Physics 4019 47.50%. Table 2 DU PhD Group Summary on descending NAM PhDs. Headers are serial number, entity ID, Faculty of Department, Institute of, NAM Teachers, NAM PhDs, percent PhD holders to teachers. DU Faculty of Science Physics 40 19. Number of PhDs 19%, 47.50%. Table 3, DU PhD group summary on descending percent PhD holders to teachers, department, institute. Headers are serial number, entity ID, faculty of, department, institute of, name teachers, name PhDs, percent PhD holders to teachers. DU Faculty of Science Physics 4019, 47.0%. Here is the graph. Dhaka University Faculty of Science, Department of Physics, flow of departments through x-axis, percent PhD holders through y-axis, Department of Physics 47%. Table 4, DU PhD summary, Faculty of Science, Department of Physics. Name PhD holders 19, name professors 18, name associate professors 2, name assistant professors 12, name lecturers 8, name teachers all 40, name PhD holders 19, name percent PhD holders to teachers 47.50%. আই ভোট একটি স্পর্শী একটি ভোট সমগ্র জাতির জন্য একটি চূড়ান্ত নির্বাচনী সমাধান। আই ভোটের নকশা ও প্রস্তুতকরণ দুটোই হয়েছে সর্বসাধারণ ভোটারদের জন্য, যেন সবাই একটি স্পর্শী একটি ভোট দিতে পারেন। আই ভোট ইনস্ট্যান্ট রেজিস্ট্রেশন অফ ভোটার্স, ইনস্ট্যান্ট ক্রিয়েশন অফ এক্সিকিউটিভ পজিশনস, instant nomination of candidates, instant vote event management, instant result of the vote event. This is my voice over this report produced by me, data mining at Dhaka University Faculty of Science, Department of Physics, and reporting to you. Thanks for watching, comment, share and subscribe when you like. Thank you very much.